This is Bengtsonga in essay with Samso Mabasana.
Fumani and Shuluvana, Pinjani, Perile, and Shikani, and Costa Sangoseles.
I get very annoyed
With me.
Look, I'm with you because we can't pass more than 5 people. You know, oh, I know this guy, and then Alanguta when I go to Otago. Hey, Bagulava. Like, now look about summer every 5 minutes. Oh, but because now, funny me, man, we made about Kabul, about the snap, then you move, and then another 15 steps. No, man, that's why I'll never get on screen, man. I'm not a mistake. I shouldn't be one, man.
Okay, question now, because this is something that I've already nailed, and I know the practice I go.
Yeah.
How do you guys deal with the times that you are moody, you don't want to say hi, you don't want to take a picture? How do you deal with that?
You just smile most of the time because there's nothing that. And some people will ask for pictures.
Do you agree every time?
No, I mean, not every time. Look, man, let's say, of course, there are those who come and take a phone call.
Yes.
But scream.
Yes.
No.
And then I cannot cut my phone because the other time I was speaking to my mom and I was serious. Marshall Town. Marshall Town, we Jimmy, and look on figure. The waiters one born, my behavior, I mean, like a phone. I figure they were not Abangan, no one and those. They literally they were passing
by Jake
again. About to again. No go iman abana man take a snap in balana man ibala because I in prioritize money banga fam se one eta inu I take ba one relax snap phone I tiri phone I left tiri bala se phone ya wena number phone ta wena
that countdown I tiri bana xikwembu uma ala ka self you 3
2 no it's
guys count down and we take 1 by 1 by 10
exactly
no communicate tip loko mitele bantu balata 1 no let's take a group photo meta
I had I had to learn it the hard way, and now my husband was like, no matter, you need to be firm with them, go. You need to take local busy. So another one, this actually a few days ago on Friday, on Thursday actually near Home Affairs, and no near Sales, near